Class, today we will be learning about adopting a puppy. Today we will talk about puppy adoptions and what you need to know before and after you get a puppy. We will also discuss how puppies may respond to new dogs in their environment. Now I have some questions for you all to discuss with each other before we start learning more about adopting a dog. Who has brought a puppy home before? Were you prepared? Is there anything you would have done differently now, knowing what you went through then? First, we will talk about what a puppy needs at home. They need a safe place when they arrive home. This means there are no wires, paper, etc. that they may get into that could harm them. They also like to sleep in kennels when they first come home. Having a small space that they know is their own helps make them feel more comfortable and adjust to their new environment. Puppies also need things like food and water, food bowls, toys, treats, a leash, a collar and/or a harness, and puppy shampoo to give them baths. Also important for dogs is to have a consistent potty spot. That way they know when they go outside that their job is to go potty. This helps train them as well. Another thing you need to do for puppies is make sure that they get their correct vaccines. Also, having the vet give you paperwork to approve these vaccinations will help for things like going to the dog park and if you ever need to board them. Making sure that your dog has consistent vet appointments to make sure they are growing healthy and strong is very important as well. The day has arrived to bring your puppy home. Make sure you bring a leash or a harness. The harness is better than a collar sometimes as it keeps a puppy from pulling and choking as they do not know how to walk yet on a leash. You also should bring a small crate or a box for the ride home. This way they have a small, comfortable space to lay in while you drive. Another thing that you can think about is getting a toy with a familiar scent, either by rubbing it on the mom or siblings before you bring the puppy home to the new environment. If you are unable to do this, you can always bring just a soft toy for them to snuggle with. Another important thing to do with the first few months before when you first bring them home is to avoid populated dog areas. Young puppies can be very susceptible to germs, especially if they are too young for vaccines to protect them against this. This is especially important if you have to stop somewhere on the way home for them to go potty. Once you arrive home with your puppy, they need to go to the bathroom outside before going into the home. This helps protect your home as well get the dog used to going potty outside. Puppies need praise to reinforce good behavior of going potty, so saying things like good job or good boy help tell them that they are going potty in the correct spot and doing a good job. A puppy also needs freedom to explore his new surroundings, so make sure it's doggy proofed. Again, no wires, no papers, nothing you don't want to be chewed on because puppies like to chew. And about every half hour to an hour, puppy needs to go out on a leash to try to go potty. This helps get them into a routine to make sure they know that going potty is for outside. Again, using that consistent spot so they get used to going outside. And remember, there will be accidents. Couple things you should not do is using negative reinforcement. So don't rub the puppy's nose in the accident, and always take the puppy directly outside to the bathroom spot, even if they've already gone inside. The first few weeks with puppy will be an adjusting period for both you and puppy. Giving them lots of love and lots of attention is important. Also, puppies like to sleep train in kennel, as we discussed before. Make sure you don't have anything soft like a blanket in a kennel when potty training. Puppies tend to think it is grass, like where they go potty outside, and are more likely to have accidents in their kennel. During the night and during the day, puppies need to go outside every couple of hours to make sure that they don't have accidents inside. And just so you know, puppies, like babies, tend to sleep most of the day. So don't expect puppy to be super playful and excited for the whole day, just for short periods of time, and then they will go back to sleep. Puppies also need a regular eating schedule, so set this up with them right when they get home. This could be eating 3 times a day, 2 times a day. And because of this regular eating schedule, they will have a more regular bathroom schedule, which will also lend to the potty training. When puppy meets a new dog, it needs to be done slowly. Puppies need to explore the home alone first. So if you have another dog in the home, either put them behind a closed door or have them outside. Both dogs need to meet through a dog gate first, so they can get used to each other's smell and presence. Finally, under supervision, the dogs can meet. Interaction should be limited until both dogs get used to each other. Alright class, now we are going to do a true-false activity to see what you have learned. I will give you time before I show the answer to each question for you to discuss with your seat table. Puppies are potty trained the first time you take them outside. False. Puppies take a lot of time to learn to potty train, and having a consistent routine will help them do this faster. 2. You should allow dogs and puppies to roam in the car freely when bringing them home. False. Having a small crate or box will help keep them feeling safe and also protect the car and you from being distracted while you're driving home. 3. Bringing a soft toy to pick up puppy is comforting. True. You can either have the scent of their siblings or mom on the toy, or just having something for them to snuggle with on the ride home is very comforting for a puppy. 4. Puppies sleep a lot of the day. True. Just like babies, puppies need lots of sleep and will play in little increments and then fall back asleep. 5. The puppy should be introduced to new dogs slowly. True. Allowing the puppy to get used to their new environment first is important, and then slowly introduce them to any other dogs that may be in the home. Thank you, class, for listening today, and I hope you have learned a little bit more about bringing a puppy home.